Today I'm visiting Curtis and Mark Rowley, two farmers here in Santa Quin, Utah. The Rowleys farm Montmorency Tart cherries. Montmorency Tart cherries are a homegrown superfruit, and they're special because they're not imported from other countries. So much care goes into growing and harvesting this unique superfruit that brings variety to so many foods and beverages. A lot of people don't know the difference between sweet and tart cherries. Tart cherries are, tart. They have a unique sweet, sour flavor that is increasing in popularity across the country. Sweet cherries range from slightly to intensely sweet depending on the growing area and season. You can also tell a difference by their appearance. Tart cherries are bright red when harvested and retain that bold color when dried, frozen, or juiced. Sweet cherries have a dark color, sometimes almost purple or black. Tart cherries have a very distinct sweet tart flavor profile that really make them a ready complement to sweet, savory, and even spicy foods. These ruby red morsels pack a punch of bright, tangy, and intense flavors that end on a sweet tart note. So what makes Montmorency variety of tart cherries so special compared to imported cherries? Montmorency is the variety of tart cherries most commonly grown in the U.S. on small family farms like the one we're visiting today. They are truly the tart cherry with more flavor, and more health benefits. Imported tart cherries are boxed in shipping containers and may travel halfway around the world, but Montmorency tart cherries are grown on family-owned American farms. Thanks for joining me in this journey around this special farm and learning more about Montmorency tart cherries.